Hi everyone, just a little short video to show you my latest mini journal. I've still got some ephemera and things to sort out to put into it, just a little few things to add. But on the whole, this is now complete and will be in my Etsy store shortly. So this is just all like a little pale blue kind of themed journal. So again, made this from a tea box. We've got the lace, this sari silk here on the thing. The cover is made out of board that's been covered in a napkin, so it's got really lovely texture. We've got the normal little bookmark. So as usual, it's kind of got some stamps, little bits of decoration, not loads and loads and loads. There's still lots of things to write. I made all the papers myself. There we go. I didn't actually make the paper itself myself. I tea dyed it and coffee dyed it. Still plenty of space to put your own art in there, to draw, to add whatever you want to add to this. So there's plenty of space. These are my own digital designs. Stenciling, some collaging, some cutouts, lots of different things. So this was really good fun actually doing this one. I'd not done a blue one before, so it was quite different to be doing some different colour palette. Really nice. Yeah, so really good fun. I've got the ephemera and everything to sort out, but beautiful. I really enjoyed working on this journal, so I hope you like it as well. Please feel free to check it out on my Etsy store. Once this video is up, it will be up on my Etsy store, so you can pop over there and check it out if you would like to. In the meantime though, thank you very much for watching. This is very short and sweet, this video, because my iPad is running out of battery. So thank you for watching, and please do give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you like this kind of thing. Thank you. Bye for now.